When Jab We Met moves on to Mujhse Dosti Karogi, and finally to Koi Good News. It's time to stop all golmaal in your diet, right? Kareena Kapoor Khan's pregnancy diet secrets from her book, The Pregnancy Bible. The bubbly diva from Bollywood has shared some amazing diet tips in a recently released book, The Pregnancy Bible, so that all pregnant women can have a healthy pregnancy and a happy ending. Kareena Kapoor Khan started her day with a nawab and like a nawab. She ate 1 banana and 5 almonds. Well, we don't know about with a nawab, but you too can surely eat like one, right? Her breakfast was poha, upma or 2 idlis. She made a diligent effort to stick to smaller meals or portions, especially in the first 5 months during both her pregnancies. Her lunch remained pretty much the same every day. Roti, dahi, dal, sabzi. That can't be moja hi moja, right? But it's sure a good discipline to keep pregnancy heartburn controlled. Stick this tip in your minds. Fevicol say. She ate everything from Loki and Turai to Karela and Bengan. She had cravings for South Indian food like sambar rice or dahi rice with grated cucumber. Another favorite on her plate were a lot of simple Maharashtrian dishes such as varan bhat. Note that it was all home cooked in mustard oil or half a teaspoon of homemade ghee. A rocking zubi-rubi tip here. She kept rotating the cooking medium, that is, changing the cooking oils through the 9 months. The hunger nagara struck her between 4 to 6 p.m. She met this snack craving with a glass of buttermilk or chaach or a fruit. Her dinner was protein with rice, maybe with a vegetable side dish. She kept changing the carbs: brown rice, quinoa, white rice, and on occasion pasta. This pretty Sonia did treat herself to an after-dinner sweet treat sometimes. It would be simple homemade yogurt in which she mixed chopped dates, cashews, pistachios, and raisins. Well, some experts say that people with digestion issues such as acidity, acid reflux, or indigestion should avoid yogurt or curd at night as it could cause constipation, but we guess it worked for our lively heroine. Well, mums-to-be, just listening to these tips makes one feel power-packed with nutrition, right? Studies over the years have been linking a good pregnancy diet with healthier babies, full-term deliveries, decrease in depression test scores for mums, and even decrease in infections in mums. We hope you enjoyed getting a peek into Kareena Kapoor Khan's diet plans during pregnancy. For more such pregnancy tips, download the iMumz app now.